The ASUS ProArt 602 Wood Edition Modern is a massive full tower case clearly aimed at enthusiasts, offering plenty of space for high-end systems. We use the case for a demanding project, building an AMD EPYC Milan workstation for local AI models and development. The major challenge was integrating 3 massive HPC graphic cards into the system. We'll find out right now how well this plan worked in practice, the hurdles we had to overcome, and how the airflow performs. Right from the unboxing, the ProArt PA602 leaves a premium impression, not least thanks to the extremely secure packaging and the blank fabric back. Visually, the wood elements on the front immediately stand out. We opted for the black variant, where the wood, which features slight natural imperfections, creates a beautiful contrast. Another striking feature is a large tempered glass side panel. This offers a real speciality, an integrated perforated air intake. Vertically mounted graphic cards benefit from this, in particular as they can draw fresh air exactly from here. It's also very convenient that the side panels can be released tool-free via buttons on the back. Inside, the big tower offers an enormous amount of space. Nevertheless, we encountered hurdles when installing our workstation. Although the case supports eATX motherboards, our specialized server motherboard didn't fit seamlessly and could only be secured with 6 instead of 9 screws. Additionally, the long graphic cards collided with the connectors on the motherboard, which is why we had to use riser cables as a workaround. On a very positive note, the integrated continuously adjustable bracket caught our attention, allowing us to securely support the top graphic card. The rest of the installation is very comfortable thanks to the modular design. The power supply sits in an easily accessible chamber, noticeably simplifying installation and cable management. There's plenty of room for storage media with multiple frames for 2.5-inch drives and caddies for 3.5-inch hard drives. Water cooling isn't neglected either. A removable frame in the top panel accommodates radiators up to 420 mm. Our airflow concept benefits massively from the 2 large 200 mm fans in the front. They provide excellent air throughput and operate quietly enough for everyday use at a 40 to 50% load. They are supported by a 140 mm fan in the rear. Out of the box, the fans are connected to a hub. However, this is also a point of criticism. As a result, all fans receive the same PWM signal from the motherboard. With a mix of 140 and 200 mm fans, this isn't always the best choice for all of them. The I/O panel on top, on the other hand, solves problems that many cases on the market have. In addition to fast USB-C ports, it offers a mechanically lockable power button that protects against accidental shutdowns, as well as switch for fan control. Another cool, unique selling point is the infrared dust sensor in the front, which uses an LED to warn you when the filters are dusty. Small wheels on the rear underside also make it easier to move the heavy tower. Let's get to our conclusion. The ASUS ProArt PA602 Wood Edition is a highly sought-out case with a superbly functioning airflow concept. It scores with a good build quality, its modular design, and sensible extras like the dust sensor and the specialized I/O panel. It offers the necessary space for bulky workstation components, even if you have to expect some adjustments during installation when using specialized server hardware. Our real criticism is primarily aimed at the strongly fluctuating market prices and the fact that the PWM signal at the hub is not optimal for the different fan sizes. However, considering the features offered, we see the target price of €260 as very justified and can highly recommend the case to enthusiasts with the appropriate budget.